This lens came out nearly 4 years ago and is still one of the best budget wide-angle lenses on the market for the Sony full-frame camera, the Tamron 17-28 f2.8. So I have been using this lens for nearly half a year now, and even though it came out in 2019, I still 100% would recommend it to someone in 2023. First off the price, it does come in at about $900, but a lot of the times it's on sale, so you could easily get it for lower. I would make sure not to actually pay full price for this lens, just because most of the time it's on sale, but I will say it's not super overpriced, just because of the features and the quality, and it is for a full-frame Sony camera, which most of the time those lenses can get pretty pricey, especially when you get up to that G Master area. The build quality is good. It's mostly plastic. You do have two rings, one for zoom and one for focus. The zoom ring is on top, and you do turn it to the right to actually zoom in. But when you zoom in, what really makes this lens worth it, in my opinion, is the fact that when you actually zoom in and out, the lens doesn't extend like it would with most other lenses. This feature makes it incredibly good, especially for filming, because you can put it on any gimbal, and then when you zoom in and out, you won't have to change any balancing, and you won't have any balancing issues, which leads to just smoother filming and better shots. It is also rather small. It's only 3.9 inches long and comes in at about 420 grams, so it's really light and really compact. And if you were to have a wide angle that you take for traveling and on the go shooting, this would be pretty good because it is so light and compact. And if you're looking at getting any filters for it, it has a 67mm thread size, so you can take whatever filters necessary that you need. For actual quality, the lens is really good. I've used it for countless pictures and videos, and I haven't had any issues with it. It's sharp and it focuses surprisingly fast, and compared to my Sigma 24-70, when it comes to focusing, I actually don't see much of a difference. The photo quality is very good. It's sharp, but I actually don't really like it that much for pictures unless I'm indoors, just because of how wide the angle is, and most of the time that's where I would use the 24-70 rather. For video though, I do really like this wide angle, especially for my A7 IV. Since it does have a crop when you're shooting at 4K 60 FPS, being able to go super wide is really helpful, because then I'm able to get whatever shots I need. And the minimum focus distance is only 7.5 inches, so you can get really close to your subject when you're actually shooting, which is really great for detail shots and product shots. Overall, I 100% would recommend this lens to someone, especially if you're buying it now, or if it's one of your first lenses. It's a good focal length and it's really wide, plus it's really light and compact, so if you're traveling with it, then it's a perfect lens to have with you. I would recommend this link to anyone who wants to buy it though. I have a link in my description that brings you straight to Amazon to purchase it. And also make sure to check out other links such as my Instagram. I post a lot of stuff there and a lot of behind the scenes or results of different shoots I do, so make sure to check that out. If you have any questions about the lens, you can drop them down below. I'll answer everything. I have experience with the lens, so I can answer it. But thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all later. Goodbye.